Welcome to the osgui.com screencast tutorial review, you could call it, of Mandriva Linux 2009 live CD that has KDE 4. This is the first time I'm testing out Mandriva since for about 10 years was the last time I used that distribution when it was called Mandrake a long time ago. It was actually the first distribution of Linux that I ever tried, or one of the first ones I should say, and I wasn't that impressed back then, and I went to other more desktop oriented OSs like Lycoris at the time, and then Xandros, and then Ubuntu, and now I'm giving Mandriva a try again to see what it's like in this virtual machine within Ubuntu 64-bit on using Sun VirtualBox, the latest version, or 64-bit. But I'm just running a 32-bit version of Mandriva, and to say the truth, I'm quite impressed by the new version. Actually, much more impressed than I was by SUSE, which I tried last. This live operating system had the drivers for the VirtualBox built into it already, so as soon as it loaded, I got full size resolution, and the mouse was able to move between the virtual machine and the rest of my operating system seamlessly. So I was very impressed by that. I was also very impressed by the smoothness of it all, the layout, how it's been customized to be more user friendly and desktop oriented for regular users. And so if you're interested in this type of distribution, it's certainly worth giving it a go. It seems to be highly polished, and in this review I install it off the live CD onto the virtual hard drive and then reboot back into it and have a little play. But it did crash in the middle of installing the installer, but that was my fault because I was playing with too many other programs in the live CD environment at the same time. So it's probably not always a good idea to do that. I'm a Genome user these days, but I used to be a KDE user back in the version 2 days. But I still find KDE 4 a little bit confusing, but it seems to be configured pretty good in this Mandriva operating system, so I'm pretty impressed by that. Alright, well, I hope you enjoy watching the rest of this screencast. Stay tuned for more from osgui.com, and may the open source be with you. Thanks for watching. Hooroo, hope you enjoy the rest of it. Take care, all the best. Thanks, live long and prosper.